Hey everyone, blood pressure measurement is one of the remarkable features of the Huawei Watch D2, a distinctive smartwatch. Although the watch looks fantastic, its invention is more about usefulness than it is about reinventing design. A tiny cuff that inflates to obtain a blood pressure reading in 20 to 30 seconds is hidden behind its strap. Inquiring about its precision, I contrasted its measurements with those of a conventional sphygmomanometer. With a small error margin, roughly 5 points for systolic and up to 10 for diastolic values, the results were remarkably similar. Although the company cautions against using the gadget for official medical diagnosis, it is evident that Huawei has sought to provide a dependable tool for measuring blood pressure patterns. From a design standpoint, the Huawei Watch D2 successfully blends practicality and style. Those who prefer the Apple Watch design will find its clean, contemporary rectangular shape appealing. The watch's aluminum alloy case and tempered glass construction provide durability and a hint of style. Available in both black and white, the white model radiates refinement with its eco-leather strap coating and gold details, while the black variant has a sporty vibe. Particular attention should be paid to the strap design. It has a discreetly integrated blood pressure monitoring cuff and is comfortable to adjust. To guarantee a correct fit, Huawei comes with an additional strap and a wrist sizer. At first, the clasp mechanism could appear complex, but it soon becomes secure and easy to use. With a brightness of 1,500 nits and a resolution of 480 by 408 pixels, the Watch D2 boasts an amazing 1.82-inch AMOLED screen. Even in direct sunshine, this guarantees outstanding visibility. The gadget is powered by Harmony OS 5.0, which offers seamless operation despite sporadic lags in the UI. Usability is improved by features like customizable buttons and group notifications, but small annoyances like uneven app icons and a manual-only night mode could use some work. Apart from its prominent blood pressure function, Huawei Watch D2 monitors skin temperature, heart rate, oxygen saturation, and stress levels. There is also ECG feature, albeit regional laws determine if it is available. Strong and perceptive, sleep tracking provides comprehensive data and suggestions for enhancement. The watch isn't flawless though. It is not appropriate for swimming or prolonged exposure to water because it only has IP68 water resistance. Because the Watch D2 uses a smartphone to track its journey, athletes may also miss the built-in GPS. The inclusion of NFC with Huawei Pay is a plus, albeit its usefulness may differ depending on the location. The battery has a good but not very long life. Though I found the battery lasted about 4 to 5 days with the always-on display and comprehensive health tracking enabled, Huawei advertises up to 6 days of use. By including ongoing blood pressure checks, this is further decreased to roughly 2 days. The Huawei Watch D2, which costs about $330, is a significant investment. But because it can detect blood pressure without the need for heavy equipment, it stands out in a competitive market. It delivers a fascinating blend of everyday utility and health-focused innovation. This watch is more than simply a device. It's a window into wearable medical technology's future. Huawei Watch D2 is a worthy contender if you're searching for a gadget that combines fashion, functionality, and state-of-the-art health monitoring. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.